Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into an essential topic for any car owner or enthusiast: the symptoms of a bad oxygen sensor. If you've ever seen that pesky check engine light pop on and wondered if it could be your oxygen sensor, this video is for you. Let's get started. What is an oxygen sensor, and how does it work? An oxygen sensor, often referred to as an O2 sensor, is a crucial component in a vehicle's emission control system. Its primary function is to monitor the levels of oxygen in the exhaust gases that exit the engine. By doing so, it helps the vehicle's engine control unit, ECU, maintain the optimal air-fuel mixture for efficient combustion. This not only ensures the vehicle runs smoothly but also helps in reducing harmful emissions. Oxygen sensors are typically placed in the exhaust manifold and the catalytic converter. Vehicles usually have multiple sensors, especially those with more advanced emission control systems. The pre-catalytic converter, upstream, sensor monitors the level of oxygen in the exhaust gases before they reach the catalytic converter, while the post-catalytic converter, downstream, sensor monitors the efficiency of the catalytic converter in reducing emissions. Therefore, they play a crucial role in your vehicle's performance and emissions control. When one of them goes bad, it can lead to various issues that affect your car's performance, fuel efficiency, and even its ability to pass an emissions test. So, what are the signs that your oxygen sensor might be failing? Here are the key symptoms to watch out for. 1. Check engine light. First and foremost, the most common sign of a bad oxygen sensor is the check engine light illuminating on your dashboard. While the check engine light can be triggered by numerous issues, a faulty oxygen sensor is a frequent culprit. If your check engine light comes on, it's crucial to have your vehicle's computer scanned for trouble codes. An OBDII scanner can pinpoint the specific problem, and if it indicates an oxygen sensor issue, you know where to start. 2. Poor fuel economy. Next up is poor fuel economy. A failing oxygen sensor can cause your engine to burn more fuel than necessary. If you notice that your car is guzzling gas and you're making more frequent trips to the pump, it could be due to a faulty oxygen sensor. This happens because the sensor is providing inaccurate data to the engine's computer, leading to an improper air-fuel mixture. This not only wastes fuel but also increases emissions. 3. Rough engine idle and misfires. Another symptom to look out for is a rough engine idle or frequent engine misfires. If your car is idling roughly or you experience misfires, it might be due to a malfunctioning oxygen sensor. This occurs because the sensor isn't correctly monitoring the oxygen levels in the exhaust, causing the engine to run too rich or too lean. This imbalance can lead to a rough idle, where the engine feels shaky or unstable when you're not accelerating. 4. Failed emissions test. A bad oxygen sensor can also cause your car to fail an emissions test. Since the oxygen sensor is integral to controlling emissions, a faulty sensor means your vehicle might be releasing higher levels of harmful pollutants. If you've recently failed an emissions test, it's a good idea to check the oxygen sensors as part of your diagnostic process. 5. Another symptom that might come up is the engine running too rich, which can lead to spark plug fouling. When there is an excess of fuel in the air-fuel mixture, it can cause carbon buildup on the spark plugs. This buildup can result in poor engine performance and starting issues, as the spark plugs struggle to ignite the fuel-air mixture efficiently. In addition to affecting spark plugs, running too rich can also lead to other problems within the engine. Excessive fuel can wash away the lubricating oil on the cylinder walls, increasing friction and wear on the engine components. This can reduce the overall lifespan of the engine and lead to more frequent and costly repairs. Ensuring the correct air-fuel mixture is crucial for maintaining engine health and performance.